The other one is right-clicking and giving you the ability to change a word on the fly based on its possibilities. For instance, let's say I misstroked panel and I really wanted it to be paneling. I can right-click on panel, come down to the bottom, and select paneling. This won't work for something that has a morphological on it, but for the most part it works for everything else. So I can come down just a little bit. Let's find another word to play with. Here we go. Here's relatively, which is a morphological. So that wouldn't work. But here's straight. And I can select from those two. How about criminal? Criminal or criminally? Criminals or criminally. So I can choose from either one of those. Now that's not to be confused with a conflict. As you see, criminal or criminally is down at the bottom of our right-click area, and a conflict will be at the top of our right-click feature. Anyways, I hope this helps you edit better. Thanks for watching this short tutorial.